In today's video, I'm going to teach you using ChatGPT ethically in academic writing, best practices and guidelines. Think of ChatGPT as a supportive study partner, not a substitute for your own thinking. The goal is to enhance your learning and writing process, not to hand in AI-generated text as your own work. Use it to brainstorm topics, map out an outline, clarify confusing concepts, and refine the clarity and flow of your language. Always follow your institution's academic integrity policies and any course-specific rules. If a professor sets boundaries around AI use, respect them. Maintaining originality and authorship starts with drafting in your own words. Treat anything the model produces as reference material or a starting point, not a final product. As you research, synthesize ideas across sources and add your analysis, interpretation, and voice. If your institution requires it, run plagiarism checks before submitting, and revise to ensure your work is genuinely yours. This keeps your writing authentic and your learning real. When it comes to citation and disclosure, be transparent where required. If your school asks you to acknowledge AI assistance, include a brief note describing how you used it, such as for outlining or editing. Always cite the actual sources that informed your content. Do not rely on citations suggested by the model without verification. Instead, locate the original articles, textbooks, or datasets and cite those. Keeping a short record of when and how you used AI makes it easier to disclose accurately. Accuracy matters. Fact-check claims, statistics, and any citation details against credible sources. AI can produce confident but incorrect information, including fabricated references or outdated data. Cross-verify with textbooks, peer-reviewed journals, or trusted databases. If the model suggests a source, search for it directly and confirm authors, titles, journals, and publication dates. Prioritize the most recent, reputable information and correct or remove anything you can't verify. Use ChatGPT to learn, not to cut corners. Ask for explanations, step-by-step reasoning, or simplified summaries to deepen your understanding. Let it help improve structure, clarity, grammar, and transitions, but keep your unique tone. Treat outputs as drafts that you critique and refine. You might request an outline to organize your argument, ask for feedback on a thesis statement, or paste a paragraph for clarity suggestions, then apply your judgment and revise. By combining your critical thinking with careful, transparent use of AI, you protect academic integrity, strengthen your skills, and produce higher quality work. Use these guidelines, and you'll get the benefits of ChatGPT while keeping the authorship and learning squarely in your hands.